Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, have you ever taken a selfie and noticed that your skin looks gray or lifeless? Or maybe the colors in the background are so vibrant they distract from your face, so that would be a saturation issue. So saturation controls the intensity of colors in your photo. High saturation makes colors bold and vibrant, great for sunsets and colorful scenes, but risky for portraits where you want natural skin tones. So low saturation makes controls or colors muted and soft gray, great for moody or even vintage looks. But too low can make you look sick or even washed out. So Facebook gives you, or FaceApp, why do I keep saying Facebook? Whatever, so FaceApp gives you a total control of temperature, saturation, and even more. According to many resources including the app's full description. So right now what we should do is basically access the adjust tool. Open your photo in FaceApp, it would look like this. Then tap the adjust icon in the bottom toolbar like this one. Find the saturation slider. So in the adjust menu, locate the saturation slider. It's usually represented by a rainbow or color wheel icon. Just go and tap to select it. Okay, so follow the pro presets if you want to, or you can even adjust saturation for portraits, increase it, decrease it manually, or as I said, follow the pro presets. That would be way much better. Then finally, you can easily use the compare tool. Hold your finger down on the image to see the original, release to see the adjusted version. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.